Add 1 egg to the bowl and squeeze 4 cloves of garlic. Add half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt and mix. Add the mixture to the minced meat and mix thoroughly. Add 2 tablespoons of flour and mix. Put in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. And here's the trick. Take a plastic bottle and cut off the bottom. Fill the bottle with minced meat. To keep meat from sticking to the bottle, use vegetable oil. Press on the minced meat and squeeze the sausages out of the neck of the bottle. Fry the sausages for 2 minutes on each side on a medium heat. Cut the onion. Grate the carrot. Add a little oil to the pan and fry the onion first. Add the carrots after 2 minutes. Simmer for 2-3 minutes and then add 60 ml of kefir. Add the sausages and simmer for 15 minutes on a medium heat under the lid. While the meat is cooking, prepare the sauce. Cut the dill. Add 4 tablespoons of sour cream. Squeeze out 1 clove of garlic. Sprinkle with half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it all and you'll get a very tasty sauce. These sausages will delight you with taste, especially with the sauce. It is the perfect appetizer for the festive table. Thanks for watching and enjoy your meal!